Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Steffi. Today's tutorial is going to be a Valentine's Day look, which is going to be a very simple and soft. Even you are going to office, you can put it on the whole day. And this tutorial is going to be a very easy one for all the busy ladies out there. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button for all new updates. So let's start the video. For priming my skin, I am using the primer from Blue Heaven Studio Perfection. I am going to do my eyebrows in a very quick way, only using the brown eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. First, I will outline my eyebrows and shape them, and secondly, fill in the sparse area of my brows. It has brushes attached with it, so we'll comb my brows and give it a perfect shape. For foundation, I am using the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beige, and I will apply it all over my face including my neck. And then we'll blend it out using a damp beauty sponge. To conceal my under eyes, I am using the concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Tan Light and will blend it out with a beauty sponge. Then I am going to brighten all the high points of my face, such as the forehead, tip and bridge of my nose and chin. The next step, that is contour. You can skip this step if you have a well-defined face structure, but I really have a round face, so I need to do that. I am using the Contour Cream Series palette by TYA Generation 2. Using the coffee shade, I am contouring my face, starting from the hollows of my cheekbones, jawlines, forehead and nose, and blending it well with a kabuki brush. Then I am setting my face with some translucent powder and slightly pressing it on my entire face to set it. Then I am locking my base makeup using a setting spray which is from Blue Heaven Studio Fix. Before the eye makeup, we need to prep it by cleaning the border of the eyebrows, and then using the same concealer on the eyelids, we'll prime it. And then I am blending the concealer using a flat concealer brush. And then we'll set the concealer with some translucent powder. Today's eye makeup is going to be a very easy one, using only two eyeshadows. Taking this very light shade of brown from my Morphe eyeshadow palette, I'll start applying it on the outer corner, defining it well and using it on my crease. Little by little, I'll start building the crease up and deepening the corner and blending it using circular motions. It will give a perfect soft smoky look. Once I have the general shape of the crease and the corner, I'll pick this light peachy shade and apply it on my eyelids and blending it well. Again, deepening the outer corner, and then we'll blend everything well to get a soft smoky eye look. Then picking the same crease shade, I am applying it on my lower lash line, making it look smoky. And on my waterline, I am popping some white liner using the eyeliner from Miss Claire. To line my top lash line, I am using liquid eyeliner from Lakme in black shade. I am using the Folk Mink eyelashes from Kaylelis. Then to highlight my eyes, I am using a very light peach matte shade and highlighting the inner corner of my eye and the brow bone. And this is the complete, soft, subtle, smoky and very easy eye look. Just like the eyes, I'll keep the cheeks look little soft. You can completely skip this process if you don't want. So taking a peach shade from this palette, I will apply it as a blush on my cheeks in a very soft, subtle way. Okay, so for the highlighter, I'll use a very little highlighter on my nose and on my chin. Sorry for the blurriness, might be the camera shook for a little time and this happened. And I am applying very little highlighter on my cheeks. As everything on my face is soft and subtle, so I used a very vibrant shade of red from Color Essence to make the look a little pop. And here's the final look, which is a classic, soft, subtle, romantic look for a Valentine's Day or a date night on Valentine's Day. I paired this up with a white floral one piece and only used a classy earpiece to complete the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe the video. Don't forget to hit the like button for all new updates. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you can follow me there as well. I thank you so much for watching this video. Lots of love. Bye guys, and I'll see you soon with a new video.